It is Sir back at it with another E-Moto. Let's go! Razor saw what I was doing with the Mini Moto, the Razor RSF 650. They liked what they saw and they went ahead and sent this bike my way. If you can't already guess, I'm going to upgrade it just like I did with the RSF, and I'm going to share the entire process with you so you can do it yourself. It's already enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and take the bike out of the box. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones.
You want to help me take this off? Dude, that's huge.
That's big.
That is way bigger than it was in my head.
It's like similar size, I guess.
Yeah, it's just like the dirt bike equivalent of the Mini Moto. Damn.
So you have like all of the shit to...
Dude, that's so much bigger than I thought it would be. Wait, what was
You
that?
have all the shit to replace the like...
Yeah, I'll get the kit for it. So then we'll have this one upgraded and that one, bro. We can fuck around. And I have a third one too. Dude, this bike's sick.
Three, two, one.
This shit look good, bro. Whoa. Jeez. This shit looks sick.
Pretty cool, huh? Little dirt bike.
Damn, this shit looks sick though.
Hell yeah, it's cool with them next to each other, huh?
Fucking road bike and dirt bike. Right there.
Exactly. Best of both worlds.
Sheesh. Wait, did you do any modifications for this yet?
No, that's next. Gonna throw some 72-volt powertrain on there. Hydros.
Damn. This is out the box just like this?
Yeah, stock.
This shit looks sick as fuck. What's the difference between the bikes?
They're essentially the same. Out of the box, they have the same powertrain, very similar frame and size, but as of now, this is running 72-volt, so it's a lot more powerful, but this one's about to have the same upgrade. So that you have a key on your left, and now it's on, so go super easy on the throttle, all right, Dan? and then you have the 3 gears, so it's 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm on. We're out. So slow. You look good.
You look like 2 fucking kids, bro.
Is there like a power level on here? It's hella slow. I'm just used to having that power.
Girls on my bike, bro. The fuck? Oh, for
Yo, he's got that throttle. This is full speed. I think I'm going like 10 miles an hour. This is so slow. But I didn't buy this bike because of how it comes out of the box. I bought it because of the potential it has. Dad, come back, you're so far! Feels good though. I gotta say, the seat's not as comfortable as the RSF, but I like the dirt bike look. And there's a lot of fun things I'm gonna do with this. Let's go on the street. Good suspension. Yeah. There he goes. That's gonna be me. So look, this isn't anything crazy right now. It's right out of the box. This is pretty much a children's toy. But just like the Razor RSF, there's so much potential in the way they built this thing. All you gotta do is replace the powertrain and the brakes. And all of a sudden you've got this exciting little dirt bike, which I am expecting to feel like a mini Saron. One of the things I'm most excited to do to this bike, other than upgrading the powertrain, by the way, I will upgrade the powertrain with the upgrade kit from Electro & Co. There will be links down below. What I'm really excited about for this bike is I'm going to put the RSF wheels, which are much wider, sort of supermoto wheels, and throwing them on here. And I think it's going to look sick, and it'll ride really well on the pavement, because the knobby tires that comes with stock are not the grippiest. And technically, as I'm riding this on the street, I am not breaking any laws. This is, by the books, a Class 2 street legal e-bike under California law. It's got no pedals, and it's 650 watts, so it's below the 750 watt limit, and it's below the 20 mile per hour limit. So according to California Vehicle Code 312.5, this is a street legal e-bike. I can ride it in the street or in the bike lane. You can easily spend twice as much on a Class 2 e-bike, and it doesn't look as cool as this. So get ready for some serious upgrades on this bike. It's all going to be from Electro & Co. Just like the Mini Moto. Links will be down below. You can do this yourself. I'm going to make it go 50 miles an hour. It's going to be a total stunt bike. As always, thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned.
Yeah.